In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Helldivers 2 on your PC or laptop. First, we need to download the Steam app. Open your Google Chrome and search for store.steampowered.com. Link in description. Click on the Install Steam button on this page. Once you've done that, at the top right corner of your screen, click on the .exe file and open it. Complete the installation, and once finished, open your Steam app. Full installation and creating Steam account video in description. When you are done with installation, then log in and open your Steam app. Now, go to Store and click on the search box at the top right-hand corner. Search for Helldivers 2 to download the game. If game is not showing up, check out video in description. Else in drop-down menu click on Helldivers 2. Then scroll down until you see Added to the Cart button. Click on it. Now click on Purchase for myself. Set up your payment method, and you're good to go. After completing the purchase, go to your library. You can use the search box to find game you just bought or navigate directly to the games category. Next step I will show on Game I Own. First, click on the game you want to play. Now click Install. Complete installation process. When installation completed, click to play, and that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe and help reach 1,000 subscribers mark so I can make more tutorials.